India faces serious problems such as population growth, price rise, that is inflation, black money, poverty, unemployment, starvation, corruption, terrorism, etc. Today we are going to learn in this chapter poverty and unemployment. What is poverty? Poverty is a qualitative term that denotes the lowest level of life. It is a situation wherein a large number of people are unable to satisfy even their basic requirements of food, clothing, shelter, education, and health. The common features of people living below poverty line are as follows. People are not able to get 2 meals a day. Non-availability of adequate place of dwelling or house, and as such forced to live in slum areas. Income is not sufficient to meet the required expenditure. Mostly they are illiterate. Lifespan below the national average. They suffer from various diseases due to lack of nutritious food. Children who have taken up the responsibility of looking after the family at the age when they are supposed to study. Death rate is high due to malnutrition. Government has made effort to improve the standard of people, those living below poverty line. The family whose income is very less in city as well as in villages, such families are called Antyodaya, or family living below poverty line, known as BPL, below poverty line. Antyodaya families means those families are the poorest among poor. They are living below the poverty line. Their income is negligible. After finding out such families, government has started public distribution system on the basis of ration card, and these shops are called fair price shop. Every month they get rice, wheat, sugar, oil, salt and kerosene, etc. It has tried to raise their living standard. The concept of poverty was first propounded by director of WHO, World Health Organization. For calculating poverty line, certain factors are to be considered. So, poverty line is an imaginary line which is calculated on the basis of expenditure on food, clothing, shelter, education, health, clean drinking water, electricity, sanitation facilities, transportation facilities, level of income and level of consumption in terms of intake of calories. A particular standard is fixed on the basis of these factors, which is described as poverty line. So once poverty line is being described, then we can calculate how many people or who are the people who live below the poverty line, so that we can or the government can help them.